Hello, is your age 13 to 25? If not,
Go away.
if yes, this is you. Actually, this is all of you. You are a teenager, horny bastard if you will. These are your parents. Unfortunately, they're not raising you the right way. They want to raise yourself. Bad idea. So here's a guide. To take care of yourself, you must understand yourself, and the best way to do that is to watch your other fellow species. There are two types of teenagers, extroverts and introverts. Sorry, he didn't show up. This is an extrovert. His name is Kyle. This is his friend. This is the whole entire day of the school ground. They like Kyle. Why? Because. Now this is Jessica. Jessica's a girl. Jessica loves K-pop, going out, abs, clothes, makeup, the more hot dudes, volleyball, vloggers, Twitter, selfie, and Kyle's dick. Jessica is the whole entirety of the... This is an introvert. He's not here. Let me go get him. Play the commercial. This is an introvert and his name is Carl. This is Carl. He likes video games. Alone computers, programming, ramen, internet, YouTube, Reddit, JRPG, dating sim, Discord, Switch, Smash, anime, waifu, retro, console, Tetris, memes, his room, indoors, videos, technology, 2 AM, reading games, the night, imagination, books, fantasy, anything, Photoshop, online lobbies, J-pop, and so much more. This is his friend Toby. We don't know Toby's age. He may be around 15 to 55. Now you ask, what's the difference between an introvert and an extrovert? This is the internet. This side is for extrovert, this one is for introverts. This side is for extroverts, and this one is for introverts. This side is for extroverts, this one is for introverts. This side is for extroverts, this one is for introverts. This side is for extroverts, this one is for introverts. This side is for extroverts, this one is for introverts. This side is for extroverts, this one is for introverts. Hello, you are you. Who are you? You, this is the earth. You live here. You are a teenager, I guess around 30 to 19 years of age. Unfortunately, your parents are... You are 15, you have a thing called hormone. This is another gender. You like this other gender, but does not like you back. What do you do? We lost track of the point of this video. I'm sorry. Let's start the video again. Shall we? Hello, is your age 13 to 25? If not,
Go away.
if yes, this is you. Actually, this is all of you. You are a teenager, horny bastard if you will. These are your parents. Unfortunately, they're not raising you the right way. They want to...